And the race is on. Finally, Impact. Chase Charlie Intramuros is racing on the outside. King's Dominion racing in fourth, running in fifth by about 5 lengths. Federer live in Manila and Pilio. Final Impact by about 3 lengths, followed by Chase Charlie in second. Intramuros, number 7, is racing on the outside third. And 2 lengths corner back in fourth, King's Dominion. And here comes Federer. And nearing the far turn, Final Impact by about 6 lengths, Chase Charlie. Intramuros is running in third, King's Dominion and Federer as they race the last 500. Final Impact by about 7 lengths, Chase Charlie. Intramuros, then here comes Federer getting closer as they race the final corner. Final Impact by about 6 lengths, followed now by Federer in second. And in the last 150 meters more to run, Final Impact, Federer is on the outside, but still Final Impact by about 3. And finally, Final Impact, Federer, Intramuros, live in Manila, Chase Charlie, King's Dominion, and Pilio.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1.